Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn top 10 Excel formulas for beginners with the real and simple examples. At the end, if you like this video, please follow our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started with the very first formula, XLOOKUP. In this table, we have employee ID, employee name and the department. Let's identify the employee name based on the employee ID. Type XLOOKUP, select lookup value, in our case employee ID, comma, select the range where employee ID is mentioned, comma, select the range where your data is available, comma, in case of data not found, I want it should be blank, comma, and choose exact match. Bracket close, hit enter. Now, if you change the employee ID, the name will automatically change. Now, let's move to our second function, trim. Here we have some data, but with some unwanted spaces. Let's check now how we can clean the data. Just type equal trim, select your data, close the bracket, hit enter, done. Let's move to our third function, upper. Let's assume you have a data set, but now you want the data in uppercase. Type upper, select your data range, close the bracket, hit enter. Done. Move to the fourth one, it's the lower function. Let's assume you have a data set, but now you want the data in lowercase. Type lower, select your data range, close the bracket, hit enter. Done. Move to the fifth one, it's proper function. Let's assume you have a data set again with the lower and uppercase mixed in between. To correct it, type proper, select your data range, close the bracket and hit enter. Done. Now let's move to the sixth function, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a more powerful function in Excel and also popular function. Assume that you have a long data set and based on the employee ID, you want to get the employee name and department. Type VLOOKUP, select the lookup value, in our case employee ID, comma, select the table range, comma, type your column index, comma, select exact match. Hit enter, done. But don't apply it separately for department. We can use an array. Just type the next column index in curly bracket and hit enter again. Done. Let's move to the next one, the text function. For example, you have the dates and you want to day name based on those dates. To get that, type equal text, select your date, comma, type in double inverted comma 4 times D. Bracket close, hit enter. Drag the formula down. Let's move to the next one, concat function. We have the first name and the last name and we want to combine both in one cell. Let's check how we can do it. Just type concatenate, select your first name, comma, in between first name and last name, we want space. So in double inverted comma, space, comma. Now select the last name, close the bracket, hit enter, drag the formula down. Done. Next, our ninth function, text join. We have taken the same data set as before. This time we'll use the text join function to join the first name and last name. Type equal text join. Select the delimiter. In our case, we'll use space again, comma. We'll ignore empty cells, comma. Now select the first and last name cells. Close the bracket, hit enter, done. Now drag the formula down. We have reached to our last function, if function. Here we have a budgeted and actual values. We want to know whether it's over budget or under budget. To get that data, type if actual is greater than budget, then it should be over budgeted or is under budget. Close the bracket, hit enter, drag the formula down,